Vibe, Kanban Plus, Claude Code is insane. Hey, today I'm going to show you something that's going to completely change how you build stuff with AI. I'm talking about Vibe Kanban plus Claude Code working together. This is big because you can now run multiple coding agents at the same time without them breaking each other's work. No more babysitting terminal logs. You can actually focus on planning and reviewing while AI does the heavy lifting in the background. This is the future of building with AI, and it's available right now. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me break down what Vibe Kanban actually is and why it matters. Vibe Kanban is a tool that lets you manage multiple coding agents at once. Think of it like having a team of developers working on different parts of your project at the same time. But here's the crazy part. They don't step on each other's toes. They don't create conflicts. They just work in parallel while you focus on the bigger picture. Before this, if you wanted to use Claude Code or any coding agent, you had to watch it work. You had to sit there looking at terminal logs. You had to make sure it didn't mess something up. It was like micromanaging a developer, except the developer was an AI. That's not efficient. That's not how you scale. That's not how you build a business that runs without you being stuck in the weeds. And with Vibe Kanban, everything changes. You can set up multiple tasks. Each task gets its own coding agent, and they all work at the same time. While they're coding in the background, you're doing the high-level stuff. You're planning the next feature. You're reviewing the work that's already done. You're thinking about strategy instead of syntax. Let me give you a real example of how this works for the AI Profit Boardroom. Let's say we need to build out 3 different features for our community platform. We need a new landing page that converts visitors into members. We need an automated email sequence that onboards new members. And we need a dashboard that shows members their progress with AI automation. Before Vibe Kanban, I'd have to do these one by one with Claude Code. I'd start the landing page, wait for it to finish, check it, then move to the email sequence, wait, check, then the dashboard, wait, check. That's hours of just waiting and watching. Vibe Kanban, I set up 3 separate tasks in the Kanban board, 1 task for the landing page, 1 for the email sequence, 1 for the dashboard. I assign each task to a Claude Code agent and I hit go. All 3 agents start working at the same time. The landing page agent is writing HTML and CSS for a high converting page that explains the value of AI automation. The email sequence agent is building out the automation that welcomes new members and shows them how to get started. The dashboard agent is creating the interface that tracks member progress and engagement. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Vibe Kanban and Claude Code. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab. And what am I doing while this happens? I'm not watching logs. I'm planning the next set of features. I'm thinking about what else we need to make the AI Profit Boardroom even better. I'm reviewing the work as it comes in through Vibe Kanban's Diff tool. This is the key. The Diff tool shows me exactly what changed. I can see what the agent built. I can approve it or ask for changes. And I do this at my own pace, not at the pace of the terminal scrolling by. Here's why the Diff tool is so important. Like when you're building with AI, you need to review the code. You need to make sure it actually does what you want. But if you're watching terminal logs, you're trying to review code as it's being written. That's impossible. It's like trying to proofread a book while someone's still typing it. With Vibe Kanban's Diff tool, you review after the work is done. You see a clean before and after. You can take your time. You can think about whether this is the right solution, and you can give feedback that actually improves the next iteration. Let me walk you through the actual workflow. First, you open Vibe Kanban. You see your Kanban board with columns like to do, in progress, review, and done. You create a new task card. Let's say the task is build a landing page for AI Profit Boardroom that converts visitors by showing the amazing value of AI automation and explains all the benefits of our community. You write that in the task description, then you assign it to a Claude Code agent. The agent picks up the task and moves it to in progress. Now, here's where it gets good. You can create another task right away, build an automated email sequence that onboards new AI Profit Boardroom members and teaches them the basics of AI automation. Assign that to another Claude Code agent and another task. Create a member dashboard for AI Profit Boardroom that shows progress, community activity, and upcoming events. Assign that to a third agent. All 3 tasks are now in progress at the same time. All 3 agents are coding in parallel. You're not watching any of them work. You're doing other stuff. Maybe you're creating content. Maybe you're talking to members. Maybe you're planning the next phase of your business. The agents work in the background. And when they're done, the tasks move to the review column. That's your queue. You open the Diff tool. You see what the first agent built for the landing page. You review the HTML. You check the copy. You make sure it actually sells the value of AI automation. If it looks good, you approve it and move the task to done. If it needs changes, you add comments and send it back. Same process for the other tasks. Review the email sequence, review the dashboard, approve or request changes. And here's the thing, while you're reviewing one task, the other agents can still be working on their tasks. Or if you send something back for revisions, that agent can work on the fixes while you review something else. Everything happens in parallel. Nothing is blocked, waiting for you to watch a terminal. This is how you scale with AI. You don't scale by doing more tasks yourself. You scale by managing more agents, doing more tasks at the same time. And Vibe Kanban makes that possible. It's like going from being a solo developer to managing a team of developers, except the team is AI agents and they work way faster than humans. Now let's talk about what this means for growing a business like the AI Profit Boardroom. When you can build faster, you can test more ideas. When you can test more ideas, you find what works. But when you find what works, you scale it. That's the whole game. But most people get stuck at the building part. They have great ideas, but building takes too long, or building takes too much focus, or they don't know how to code, so they can't build it all. Vibe Kanban plus Claude Code solves all of that. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to know what you want to build. You describe it in a task, you let the agent build it, you review it, you ship it, then you move to the next idea. Instead of spending weeks building one feature, you can build multiple features in days. Instead of being the bottleneck, you become the strategic layer that decides what to build and whether it's good enough. Let me give you another example. Let's say you want to add a new feature to the AI Profit Boardroom. You want a tool that helps members generate content ideas for their business using AI. You could sit down and try to code this yourself, or you could hire a developer, or you could use Claude Code and watch it build the whole thing while you stare at logs for an hour, or you could use Vibe Kanban. You create a task, build a content idea generator for AI Profit Boardroom members that uses AI to suggest blog posts, social media content, and video topics based on their business niche. You assign it to an agent, you go do something else. An hour later, you come back. The task is in review, you check the diff. The agent built a clean interface where members enter their niche. The AI suggests 20 content ideas. Each idea has a title, a brief outline, and a hook. You test it, it works, you approve it, you ship it. Total time you spent actively working on this, maybe 15 minutes. Time the agent spent building, an hour, but you weren't watching that hour, you were doing other high-value work. Now multiply that across every feature you want to build, every improvement you want to make, every test you want to run. That's the power of Vibe Kanban. You're not limited by how much you can personally code or watch being coded. You're limited by how many good ideas you have and how fast you can review the work. And reviewing is way faster than building. Here's another huge benefit. Vibe Kanban keeps everything organized. When you're running multiple agents, it's easy to lose track of what's being built, what's done, what needs review, what's still in progress. The Kanban board solves that. You see everything at a glance. You know exactly what stage each task is in. You know what needs your attention next. You're not juggling terminal windows. You're not trying to remember which agent is working on which feature. It's all visual. It's all clear. And because everything goes through the Diff tool for review, you maintain quality. You're not just blindly shipping whatever the agent builds. You're checking it. You're making sure it meets your standards. You're making sure it actually solves the problem you wanted to solve. This is critical. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it misunderstands what you want. Sometimes it builds something that technically works but isn't quite right. The review step catches that. And because you're reviewing work that's already done instead of work that's happening in real time, you can actually give thoughtful feedback. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Vibe Kanban and Claude Code. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab.